Hey, is your text too small on your monitor when you have it paired with your MacBook or laptop? I'm using a USB-C cable to connect these, by the way, but if it's too small, this is what you have to do. All you have to do is go head to System Settings. Okay, so we're going to go to System Settings. Next, we're going to go to Displays. Okay, so from Displays, you're going to see, let me zoom in a little bit more. Okay, from displays, you're going to see that there's different options right there. So then we're going to go ahead and click on larger text. And once I zoom out, you will see now your monitor will indeed have larger text. So now you can be further away from the monitor and then see everything just as well. Alright guys, I hope this video helps. If it did, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.